G'day, it's Adam Franklin here, over in Perth today for my LinkedIn Accelerator workshop. And one of the activities that we've been doing is to uncover some of the gold that is hidden right under our nose in our existing network. Now, a lot of people are afraid of coming across as salesy and pushy and desperate and all of that sort of stuff, and I totally get that. We don't want to come across that way, but very often in our existing network, there are people that might be potential customers or even ideal customers. So the activity that I like to do is to get attendees to do a search on LinkedIn for whatever the job title or the role is of the people that they work best with. So for example, you might type in lawyer in Perth, and that will give a whole list of different people in your extended network. Then I like to narrow it down to people in your first degree network. So that is people that you're already connected with, so you know each other in some capacity. And the key here is now just to reconnect with these people. They might be former colleagues, they might be university friends, they might be people that you've worked with in the past and are now at a new company or in a new role. And the key here is just to re-engage, send them a nice friendly message, just like you would communicate with them if you bumped into them on the street or at a business function, and say, hi, hey, long time no speak, can't believe it's been X number of years since we worked on that project together, or that we bumped into each other at the footy, or whatever it is for your situation. What have you been working on? Cheers. And typically you're coming from a place of generosity and genuine curiosity as to what they've been up to, and typically they will reciprocate and say, hey Adam, I've been working on X, Y, and Z, how about you? And then that's your chance to talk to them about what you've been working on. So the conversation can evolve naturally and in a non-threatening or pushy way. So I hope that's been useful. My task for you is to go out and reconnect with somebody in your first degree network and just start that conversation off. Cheers.